Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these exponential equations for all the values of x that satisfy this. When I mean by all the values of x, by inspection method, when we plug in at x equals 2, we know it satisfies this problem as one of the solution. But looking at this, whenever we have x equals 2, yeah, it satisfies it, but not only x equals 2 is the only solution to this. We still have another solution that we can still get from here. And having this kind of a problem, what we are going to do is we introduce logarithm to both sides. So as one of the method, I think it will work. So we still have another one as well we can still use to get all the solutions. But let's apply logarithm method first. So after introducing logarithm to all this, so apply some basic rule of logarithm. Let's say we have log AB. This is equals the addition of this with different log, that is log A plus log B. So we apply it here, and let's still consider this rule as well. Let's say we have log A to the power of B. We consider it as B log A. Then for the first one, we are going to have x log 3 plus 1 divided by x log 25 equals log 45. So I'm going to leave this one as it is. So let's multiply throughout by x. Here we are going to have x squared log 3 plus log 25 equals x log 45, and by rewriting this and collect everything in the left hand side, so we have this as, instead of x squared, we have it as log 3, which will serve as the coefficient of x squared. Then we put this in brackets, then x squared at the back of it, and we have minus log 45 in bracket x plus log 45, 25 equals 0. And you must have already think that this is a quadratic equations, but in logarithm terms. So we apply the quadratic formula here as the general term, since it is not easy to factorize this. So by applying the general quadratic formula, we have x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So when we try to plug all these things, it might not take the screen. So now let's try to find the discriminant first. As we know, the value of a here is 3. The value of b is minus log 45. And lastly, for c, as all these are in the formula, we need to get all of them. So let's find discriminant. What is in the root, which is b squared minus 4ac, is known as our discriminant. So discriminant equals b squared minus 4ac. We plug in all these value here, then to get the value of discriminant. Where we have b is minus log 45, but because of square, then negative we go. Therefore, we have only log 45 square minus 4 log 3 multiplied by log 25. And log 45 here, we can write it as 5 multiplied by 9, and 9 can be 3 to the power of 2. And when we apply the rule we have already used above, we have this result as log 5 plus 2 log 3 all square minus, 25 is still 5 square, then 2 we multiply for, that is 8 log 3 log 5. So I don't want to be showing all this then, since I've already showed the rule above. So when we try to expand this in the parentheses, what we have is log 5 square, and we have plus everything here becomes 4 log 3 log 5, and finally we have plus 2 log 3 all square, and this is only for what's in the square, and while we have the last one, which is minus 8 log 3 log 5, and we have minus 8 log 3 log 5 plus 4 log 3 log 5. That one becomes 4 log 3 log minus 4 log 3 log 5, and here we have log 5 to the power of 2 minus 4 log 3 log 5, so plus 2 log 3 all square. And looking at this again, so it gives another, we can still compress this as, instead of positive that we expand in that bracket, so we change this one to negative because of minus 4 log 3 log 5, and it implies that we have log 5 minus 2 log 3 all square. We can just take our time and expand this, we will get what we have above. As this is the value of discriminant, but this is in the square root according to the formula. It means square and square root cancel each other. Therefore, the whole value of x is equals, it is minus b, and the value of b is minus log 45. It means minus multiplied by minus, that is plus. Then we have log 45 and plus or minus log 5 minus 2 log 3 divided by 2 log 3. So which is the value of a under the formula. So here we have plus and minus. Let's try to take off plus, and we can rewrite this log 45 as log 3 plus 2 log 5. Therefore, we are going to have log 5 plus 2 log 3 plus log 5 minus 2 log 3 divided by 2 log 3. So that is for this when we consider the positive. Here this and this cancelled, and log 5 plus log 5, it gives 2 log 5 divided by 2 log 3. When 2 cancel 2, and we apply a rule of logarithm here as well, which you can combine this as log 5 base 3. Here is the other solution that I'm talking about. But how can we get 2? That by inspection method I've already gotten it. So we can still do that when we consider the negative part of it. Here is log 5 plus 2 log 3 minus log 5 plus 2 log 3 divided by 2 log 3. When log 5 cancel log 5, all you have left is 2 log 3 plus 2 log 3. That gives 4 log 3 divided by 2 log 3. And we cancel log 3. So 2 and 4, that gives 2, which is another solution to this. Other tips of which you can solve this problem is by just rewriting the 45 at the right hand side as 9 multiplied by 5, and we'll do the comparison. We still get this. So if you have another way of doing this, you can drop it in the comment box. See you there, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.